Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your rear defroster is not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. All the fuses and relays you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here on the driver's side. Now to open this cover you will have two clips, one here on this side and other one on the other side. So you want to press onto the clips and leave the cover straight up. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 2, which is a 30M fuse located right here, and this is your main fuse which sends power to the rear defroster. Second fuse to check, it's a small 10 amp red fuse located right here. This is fuse number 35 and this is the fuse responsible for the power to the rear defroster relay. Once you have checked both of these fuses, there is only one more thing to check, and that's the rear defroster relay, which is located right here. It's a relay number 21A. Now the best way to test this relay is just try replacing it with any of these ones, which are the same kind, and if this makes a difference, then that way you will know what's your problem. Just buy a new relay. They cost around $3–4 and have it replaced. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.